In this video, I'm going to show you how to open Java files on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So if you have a Java file like this and you're having issues opening the file, then keep watching as I'm going to show you how we can fix this issue. Now, the first thing you want to do is just go and open up an internet browser and type in Java download and press enter. Now click on the top website here, download Java, and then scroll down and click on Windows Online. Now that should go and appear in your downloads folder in the top right hand side, and you can simply go and open up this file. Once this is opened, you can click on the install button and you'll need to go through the steps on the screen to install Java to your computer. Once it's finished installing, we can simply come back over to our Java file. You can right click on the Java file, click on open with, click on choose another app, click on Java from the list of options and click on always. Now right click on the Java file again and then go and click on open. Now, if the file's still not opening, then head back over to your internet browser, type in Java JDK download and press enter. Click on the first website, which is this oracle.com. Now scroll down and click on your operating system, so mine's Windows. Then scroll down and click on the x64 installer download link. Once again, that should appear in your downloads folder. And once this is finished downloading, open up the file. Now, just like before, you'll need to go through the steps on the screen to install this to your computer. Once it's finished installing, you can try opening back up your Java file. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.